Every day we pick up the phone or turn on the television set and expect to have perfect service 24 hours per day. These services come to you through a system of wires and cables, which telephone and cable TV installers and repairers construct and maintain. Line installers place cable or phone lines underground or on poles or towers. They also connect wiring inside your home or office, making sure the signal reaches your phone or television set. They may splice wires to connect them, or install fiber optic cable to replace worn or obsolete cables. Repair workers handle service calls where there has been an interruption in service. They travel to a customer's home or business and troubleshoot where the technical failure has occurred. Training for both types of work is largely provided on the job, with the best prospects being at large phone and cable companies. Due to deregulation and the expansion of cable and other telecommunication services, this field should expand as the public demands the latest electronic pipeline be made available to them.